Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall solve the next aptitude question which was asked in Amazon Tech Ops Associate SMT Bangalore. So the question is like this: the ratio of present ages of Chinni and Malli is 7:1, 7:11. The difference between their ages is 8 years. So what will be the age of Chinni after 5 years? So first we shall consider, let their ages be x. So we shall consider the ages be x. So then after that, here they have given the ratio of present ages of Chinni and Malli. So the ratio of present ages of Chinni and Malli is 7:11. So this is given. So 7:11, and here they have given the difference between their ages is 8 years. So we shall write the difference between their ages is, so 7 into x, so ages is x, so 7 into x, as well as, so again it is 11x. So 7x minus 11x equal to, so difference between their ages is 8. So 7x minus 11x, you will get a negative value. So therefore we shall also write it as 11x minus 7x equal to 8, and 11x minus 7x is nothing but 4 into x equal to 8, and x equal to 8 divided by 4. So therefore x equal to 2. So we have found the ages. So we have found the ages, and the value of x is found to be 2. And our question is, we need to find the age of Chinni after 5 years. So what is the age of Chinni? So they have given that age of Chinni is 7. So 7 into age is 7 into x. So we have found the value of x, that is 7 into 2 is 14. So age of Chinni is 14 years. And here we need to find the age of Chinni after 5 years. So after 5 years, the age will be 14 plus 5. So therefore 19. So the answer is 19 years is the answer for this example. So option C is the right answer. So then this is the next question which was asked in Amazon Tech Ops Associate, that is find the missing number. So this is the symbol, and here we need to find the missing number. So in order to find the missing number, we have the logic for this. So that is, so similarly I shall draw one more picture. So first we need to find the logic for this. So here the logic is simple. So here if you consider this as A node and this as B node. So here you can see that, so here we have 12 and this is considered as A, and here it is 13 which is B. So you can see the sum of this, that is B1 plus B2 is the result of A. So therefore we can write the logic as A is equal to B1 plus B2. That is, you can observe that 6 plus 5 is 12. So here you can see the logic for this is 6 plus 5. So this is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Similarly, you need to find this. So here also you can see that 8 plus 11. So 8 plus 11 is 19. So again 11 plus 4 is 15. And again here you can see 9 plus 4 is 13. Similarly, you need to find what is the value of this. So again you need to do 8 plus 6. So the logic is 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is nothing but 14. So therefore the question mark is filled with 14. So the answer is 14. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.